Hello everyone! In this video you will learn how and when to use the past simple tense. As you probably know, the simple past is a verb that is used to show that the completed action took place at a specific time in the past. So now let's look at the form of a simple past tense. First, we know that in English there are two verb categories, regular and irregular verbs. We make the past simple of regular verbs by adding ed to the infinitive of the verb. For example, we have here the infinitive to look, and the past simple of this verb is looked. So we have I looked, you looked, he, she, it looked, we looked, you looked, and they looked. As you can see, the form does not change. If the infinitive ends in e, we just add a d, as in bake, baked, type, typed, arrive, arrived, and so on. The verb to be has a different past simple form. As you can see, we have I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, you were, and they were. Okay? We know that many of the most common verbs are also irregular. They have one different past tense form. Let's look at some examples. Make, made, begin, began, go, went, write, wrote, have, had, eat, ate. Let's now look at the uses of the past simple tense. When do we use the past simple tense? Well, the past simple is used to talk about an event that happened in the past and finished. We usually use the past simple to say when something happened. For example, Susan went to Harlem last Monday. We also use it for regular, repeated events in the past. I always took my car to the same garage. Okay? It is also used for things that continued for some time but then ended. For example, my brother worked at the ICI for a few months. He works for another company now. We usually use the past simple when we are telling a story or describing a sequence of events. The phone rang and I went to answer it. These were just some examples of the past simple tense, but you have examples all around you, all through your day. So one of the best things you can do to improve your understanding is to write. You can write in your diary at the end of the day, or you can simply write the things that you do. Thanks for watching this video.